The difference between a $200 videographer and a $2,000 videographer is this one thing, which is the story ladder. And you've probably been right at the bottom, right at level 1. After this video, I am going to completely change the way that you film. See, most creators focus on gear, lighting, or other editing tricks, but storytelling is what truly makes people stop scrolling, watch, and trust you. Whether you're filming for clients, personal brands, or yourself, storytelling is what truly turns views into value. And before we start going up the story ladder to see where you're at, you gotta understand these 5 fundamentals. Because the truth is, every viral, cinematic, or client-winning video sticks to these 5 fundamentals. And once you master these, your storytelling completely transforms. So let's get right into it, starting off with fundamental number 1, which is location. Before you even open your mouth, your setting or your location tells the entire story. So if you have super harsh lighting or bad lighting and it's very cluttery in the background or there's a mess everywhere, right away that's going to distract your audience. I'm not saying to complicate it. Keep it simple but intentional. Every single frame should help serve your story. Remember, if location isn't adding to your story, it's taking away from it. Now, fundamental number 2, action. What's happening on camera? Because remember, movement, it keeps attention, whether it's panning, zooming in, or focusing on a detail. Every single shot should guide the viewer's eyes to something you want them to see. Here's a pro tip. If your subject's not moving, your camera should be. Moving right away to fundamental number 3, thoughts, or plan with intent. Most filmmakers just hit record and that's it, but the professionals and the ones that are set apart from all the rest, they plan with intent. They're thinking to themselves, hey, what do I want the viewer to feel in this shot? What kind of emotions am I wanting them to feel? Making a shot list before you even film your video is a huge lifesaver. Because if you don't know why you're shooting it, your viewers won't know why they're even watching it. Fundamental number 4, emotions. Make people feel something. Cinematics isn't just about LUTs or slow-mos, it's about making the person feel something through your video. Your lighting, your music, your pacing, it should all make the viewer feel something. Emotion drives connection, not just visuals. What you're wanting is for them to watch it, remember it, because if they don't feel any emotion towards it, as soon as they watch it, they're just gonna forget it. And fundamental number 5, which is sound. Sound absolutely sells the story. Audio is what builds the world that your visuals live in. Clear dialogue, sound effects, ambience, it all makes your story super immersive. Like, think about it. If you hear someone laughing or crying or the birds chirping or the crickets, you're definitely going to connect with it so much more. The sound is just the emotional glue. Bad visuals can still work with good audio, but if you take the flip and you have great visuals but bad audio, it's a no-go. Now, once you know these 5 fundamentals, your videos won't just look good, they're gonna start connecting to the audience. But connection is only the foundation. If you want to actually move people, you need to start climbing higher. See, every video creator, starting from the beginners all the way to the big movie producers, they're all climbing this same invisible staircase, whether they realize it or not. And the higher that you climb, the more attention, emotion, and opportunity that you create. And I call it the story ladder. Let's go through each level. That way, once you know where you are, you'll know how to level up. At the bottom of the ladder at level 1, you're pretty much just a reporter. You're just documenting what's happening. You capture, but you don't communicate. You just hit record and follow all the action. To fix this, start using composition intentionally, like using the rule of thirds. Also, think in sequences, like wide, medium, close-up, not just in some random shots. Once you stop filming what's just there and start filming what it feels like, you're gonna start climbing. Level 2, the illusionist. You finally discovered style, but lost substance in the process. Your mindset is, if it's cool, people will like it. What it looks like is just heavy transitions, speed ramps, and trendy edits. I mean, it looks good, but it doesn't portray anything to the audience. Here, you've mastered attention, but not emotion. And to fix this, you need to start asking yourself, how does this transition actually serve my story? Focus your editing around the moments of feeling, not just the beats in the music. Because remember, cool grabs attention, but connection keeps it. So let's move past the effects and into emotion. You truly start crafting narratives, beginnings, middles, and ends. You're focusing on the transformation. Now you're experimenting with conflicts and resolutions. Just make sure that your structure won't be weak. Your pacing, your clarity, and your editing are still super important to get the message and emotion across to the viewer. But hey, now that you can move people, now we're at level 4, the architect. You design emotion intentionally. Every shot, every cut, every scene is all for a reason. You now have a storyboard, you pre-plan, and you edit for the rhythm. You're using pacing to build tension and then payoff. You have visual consistency. You're not just filming, you're composing stories. And now you've arrived at level 5, the maestro. Your storytelling and brand now has identity. Your visuals are clean, purposeful, and easily recognizable. You're now consistent. Clients and viewers now recognize your tone and your aesthetic. You're now creating videos and stories where the tone, the font, the cuts, the transitions, the music, it's all to relay the emotion and the story to the viewer. Congratulations, you're now at the maestro level. Climb this ladder and now your videography and filmmaking will stop people from scrolling and start winning over clients. So if you made it this far, you just learned what most videographers never figure out. The 5 fundamentals make your videos connect, and then the 5 levels of the story ladder make your videos convert. You don't need the best camera, the craziest gear, or the biggest budget. What you need is the ability to tell stories that move people. Because when your videos make people feel something, they remember you. And when they remember you, they buy from you and they pay you. So wherever you are in this ladder, whether a beginner, a creator, or a pro, my mission is to help you climb faster. So if this video gave you clarity and helped you build your skills, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I drop weekly videos that'll sharpen your skills. But until then, build with purpose, move with faith, and I'll see y'all in the next one.